The first must-have is to implement Bootstrap into the new redesign. That is the core of the project, which is to make the website more mobile friendly on all devices, on all screen sizes. We've done this by adding it into an HTML header page, which is then included in every page on the site. The second one is to have contact information about the company, which is also part of a should have, which is to have multiple forms of communication. So we have the phone number, which you will be able to call from the website, either via the Skype app on your device, or if you have a mobile phone, you'll be able to have the phone ring it from the website. We also have the address with the Google Maps embed, which will show you where it is in Teignmouth. And if you click on the directions button, it will actually open up the Google Maps app or the browser and give you directions to SJ Newton from either where you are or from where your house, depending what you want. We also have email, which will open up a blank email to SJ Newton with a header saying sent from the website, which you can use to have general inquiries, invoices, repairs, and whatnot. We have download links as well for ECIRs and the repair form. The ECIR one is on the services underneath, I think it's commercial. It's like the first one, and when you click on the glyph icon for the download, it will open up a modal, which will give you a brief overview of what this download's about, and another download link to actually download the PDF. Under retail services, under small appliance repairs, there is a repair form, which you are meant to print out, fill in, and then send it through the post to SJ Newton, and they will have a look about it and see what you want. We could have an online variant of that PDF, so that we don't need to waste paper, so they can fill it in online. The email will be sent, and then SJ Newton can reply saying, we can repair this, we will, we won't, please send it now, type thing, further information about it. Another could have would be a known page for the ECIR form, depending if they want to redo it. I doubt they will, so this is a could have that is optional, not like this is a kind of important could have for the future. We have an RSS feed of latest listings on the e-commerce site. When that is built, that would be kind of neat to have, like that kind of implementation, kind of connectivity between the two domains. We have a dashboard which we could implement for the in-store offers. So instead of the client having to edit the source code of the index page, it will just be a dashboard page with a few PHP scripts behind it and maybe a MoSCoW database where the user can just add, change, or remove in-store offers listed on the index page. We want to make sure that my site is accessible for old age pensioners. A lot of the target market is people in retirement homes or old age people elderly, which could have difficulty hearing. So we want to make sure that my site is compatible with a lot of the text-to-speech software that you can find on most devices now to help with that accessibility functionality. My site will not have a login. It won't have a login. The user will only be gathering information from my site. It will not. There's no need for them to log in apart from on the dashboard to maybe keep that bit secure. But there's no financial or sensitive data on that dashboard itself. So again, there's not really any need for it if the users do find that page on the site. The e-commerce store will not be built into the current domain because when the domain was brought via WordPress, the client did not give the she did not buy the option to have an e-commerce site built onto the back end of it. So instead, which she prefers, she's going to have a separate domain for the site. Keep them both separate. That kind of thing. Whatever works. There will be no cookies stored on this site. Like I said before, this is just for getting information about the company and the contact information. There's no need for the site to store information about what the last page was, what they did on the site. We're not gathering information about them. They're wanting information from us. So that is it.